Hello, Rocco here from NRX Landscaping, and we are here with Bold Pros installing some lighting fixtures. On this section here, we know we want to install 3 lights, one at the end, one at this end, and one in the middle. So what we did is we measured our midway point. We have indicated with an X exactly where we want the light to be placed within the brick. Take it out. We're going to use this drill press here. We know that these lights are 22 millimeters. So we're using a coring bit on ours that is 7/8 of an inch or 22 millimeters to fit this. We don't want it too big or too small. We want it nice and snug, so it's a nice clean fit. All right, so here we have our drill press. We find that it's the easiest, quickest, and cleanest way to make our cores within these bricks. You can see here that this coring bit also has a level, so we can make sure that everything is properly leveled. We also attach it to our water to ensure that this is a dustless core. We line it up. All right, so here we have it cored. You can see how nice of a clean hole we've made with this. All right, so now that we have our brick cored and we have our placement, in this situation, because we're next to a deck, we can hide our wire underneath the deck. One of the benefits of having a long lead, so with Bold Pros, you get a 36-inch lead or a 91 centimeter lead. So we can tuck this away underneath the deck. And if we ever need to access it for any repairs or anything like that, we just go from underneath the deck. Wire through the coring hole, a couple taps here, finish. So one of the benefits of having these Cobra connectors is they also come with an indicator light to make sure that we have power running through our wire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this wire in the tread provided, close it. There's also a lever here, close that. It's a little bit bright, but you can see that the light indicator is green, which means we have power. We now connect our lead to the power source, screw this on. There we go. We can tuck this away underneath. Ta-da!